goods receipt. So here also we have this post goods receipt for purchase document. That is the app which is there. So this they are explaining. So we are entering a goods receipt. So supplier sends a document, or maybe other plant is sending a material if it is STO. In this case, we can use either delivery note or purchase order as a reference. Based on that, we can do the GR. Okay, once GR is created, posted, it will generate two document, material document and accounting document. Okay, account document will be only generated in the case of if the material is valuated, then only the accounting document will gets created.
Right.
And the STO is between different company code, then only it will
Or
generate
if the
accounting
material
document.
price is not zero, I think. Just
Ah,
maintain standard, the price is zero. That is also probably the accounting document.
yeah,
No,
accounting
which
document
generate.
generally, yeah, it creates for all the vendor this one. And if it is an account doesn't make category specifically, it won't generate accounting document. Okay,
Right.
and also the other case, if the plant, if plants are between the same company code, then also it won't generate accounting document, only material document.
Okay.
Okay, if it is between different company code plants that STO is happening, then it will generate accounting document. Okay,
Okay.
to just to see the different accounts are maintained in different company codes, right? Yeah, just to make the update. This is the basics of why we do the GR, and we need to just check the right material, whatever we ordered in the purchase order, same has been delivered. Quantity, whatever we ordered, same has been delivered, whether it's a over or under delivery, that we need to check. In case of if there is a perishable goods, then we need to check the shelf life, whether
Like,
when it is, yeah, expiring. Those details also we
I
can check
think
at
this
the time
shelf
of.
life is shelf life if you configure such a way, then there is a check in MIGO, right? Because I have done this. Because if you set the
Right, right,
parameters on
yeah,
such a way, so that will
yes, yes, it should
automatically check.
be. Yeah, it will be active, then it will check. That's what they are given here. So J check is active, then yeah, it will check. We have an in inventory management, we have this related this one also. The chapter is there for this
Okay, okay.
shelf life. Yeah, yeah. They have given in detail what configuration is required and how it will work once we do the configuration. Okay. So we can enter several goods receipt against one purchase order, right? That is possible.
Yeah, right, right.
And we can receive materials in batches, and we can also distribute to different store location in the same GR. Maybe first line we can give 5 quantity to one store location. Second line within the same plant we can distribute it to different
Different
store location. Yeah,
storage options,
that
right,
is,
right.
yeah, that is possible. And once we do the GR, purchase order history will be updated in the PO to
Mm.
make the specific quantity has been received. Okay, that is to uh, enable the history to understand the buyer whether GR has been done. So what is remaining quantity to be received with reference to that PO. Okay, those details which are explained. So goods as it is nothing but mainly whatever the transactions we do, any movement, we have to enter a movement type, right? That's why they are giving the movement type here. So generally for goods receipt, we use 101. In case if you want to return it back to vendor in case of any damage or any issues, so we
Mm.
use 122. That is return delivery moment type. This is goods receipt into the
Warehouse.
warehouse or store. Okay. So movement type is a 3 character key. So it is used to differentiate between the various types of goods movement. Okay. Accordingly, then only we can understand, right? If we are using 101, okay, it's a goods receipt. If I'm using goods issue, then I need to specify different movement type. Otherwise, how can I differentiate the different movements? So that's why the movement types are used in every moment in the this one inventory
Okay,
transactions. Okay,
okay, okay.
so this movement type is also controls like how item category controls in PO. So movement type controls what fields which are enabled. Okay, and it also controls this one, whether this account determination, right? What GL account it has to pick. That is also depends on the movement type. Movement type also controls the same thing, whether the stock or consumption account, which are updated in financial accounting. So this will be controlled by movement type also. That is also one of the parameter. Okay. So account management also controls. Similarly, movement type is also controls the same. Okay.
Okay.
Accordingly, they will influence the which account it has to post the value. Okay. And it also if controls the screen layout. Maybe if I'm entering 122, it controls maybe when we see the screen, right? The MIGO
Yeah,
screen,
I know.
it may have
Because
different fields. Yeah. That's how the
movement type defines the screen how. I mean, when you will be
correct.
using 201, there will be cost center. When you will be
Correct, correct.
101, there will be no such
Yes,
cost
yes.
center. And
Yeah, like that, the fields and screen will change accordingly. That controls that also. Think you are there explaining the how to enter GR using that manage. Yeah, yeah. This is post cruise suite for purchase document tab. So here you can see they are entering. I think here the screen is not that much. Yeah, they are entering PO number here.
hmm,
So accordingly, the data is
populated.
populated automatically. Yeah, if they want to change quantity, okay, they can change it here. Maybe document date, posting date, they have to enter manually.
Hmm.
Okay, after entering the PO number. Okay, the steps are given here. So after entering purchase document number, so data is copied.
Quantity have to confirm.
Yeah, they have to enter the delivery note, document date, delivery quantity, store location, stock type. So then they can post the GR using that. Yeah. Yeah. Once all these details are entered, they can click on this post button. So it will be posted.
Okay.
Yeah. Same demo that they have given here. You can just see.
Sure. So can I have a break for 5 minutes?
Yeah, yeah, sure. We can stop
Thank you.
recording so that we can start once you're
Yeah, sure.
back. Yeah, yeah.
Sure.